Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Come take a test drive today.